welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. Welcome to a day in the life. You guys are going to be hanging out with me today. So I dropped the kiddos off at school this morning and I've been home tidying up a little bit and tending to my plants. So today has been a watering day for me. The plants are my babies as well, so I just been giving them some TLC today. So it's kind of turned into like a whole watering day for me. With the amount of plants that I have, it takes me about a good 45 minutes to an hour to water all my plants, put them in a shower them, and fertilize them, dry them off, and put them back in their home. It's like a whole hour process. So I just finished that, and I actually have some self-care going on today, so I'm going to get a massage, and I'm very excited about that. The lady that I go to, she is transitioning into opening up her own location, so she's only at the place that I go to one day a week, and it's very hard to get in with her. So it's been about a month since I've been able to get in, and I really enjoy going like every 2 weeks. It is so necessary for our bodies. I've said this before, don't treat yourself to a massage once a year. You really need to try to give your body some self-care. Stretching, massages, all that jazz is part of self-care, and I'm a true believer of that. So today I'm getting me some self-care, I'm getting me a massage, and I'm so excited about that, you guys. Today I have to really get some things done around the house. Gotta do some laundry, fold some laundry. I need to make some more blueberry muffins for the kiddos, going for the massage, and then I need to just tidy up around the house. You guys are gonna be a part of it. You're coming with, so I'm excited to hang out with you guys. I know I haven't really been hanging out with you guys that much, and I missed you. Drop me a comment and let me know if you missed me, because I missed you guys. I want to know how y'all feeling. Drop me that down in the comments as well. I'm hoping that you guys are well. So without further ado, I'm gonna quit talking because I need to get to this appointment. So let's just jump into this video. But for a quick second, I just wanted to admire my plants here, you guys. Look at this. They're just doing great. This is my first baby, and she is just doing awesome. I got them all back into their place in front of the windows. So we are headed to my massage, and I'm so excited. So I just arrived. I'm about to walk into my massage. I'm very excited. Just got out of my massage. My massage was great, you guys. Much needed. I actually fell asleep in there. Look, I still got the line on my forehead. I'm gonna stop at Trader Joe's real quick since I'm in the area, and I'm just gonna pick up a couple of things to hold us over for the week for school lunch. So I'm gonna run into Trader Joe's, and then I'm gonna head home because I'm starving. It's lunchtime now. I'm gonna go home and warm up some leftovers from yesterday, but I'm gonna run in here real quick and get some things from Trader Joe's. back home, got some groceries. I'm about to put these groceries up. I had to heat me up some lunch, so I'm hungry. About to go ahead and preheat the oven so I can eat some of these leftovers from yesterday. So leftovers are gonna be this sweet potato and kale hash with some chicken breast and some squash. So I'm gonna preheat the oven, I'm gonna put that in the oven, and I'm gonna unpack these groceries. Need to work on those muffins. And the day really flies by, so I don't have that much time before I have to pick up the girls, and I need to start working on dinner. So I'll pull that out too. So I have some chicken breast here that I'm gonna cook. Let me get on to it. My food is heating up. I just came to grab my practical paleo book because this is where I'm gonna get that blueberry muffin recipe from. So this is the recipe. It's very easy, comes together very quick, and my girls love them. These are the different ones you can make. So they do have the blueberry lemon, pumpkin cranberry. I'm gonna do the blueberry lemon for my girls. I might try this one coming up for the holidays. My lunch is out of the oven, you guys. Time to eat. And so I just put on some boiled eggs for breakfast for the girls. They asked me for boiled eggs for tomorrow, so I'm just getting those prepped. But I'm about to eat my lunch, and then I'm going to finish up making these muffins. It is pouring down out here, you guys. I do not like driving in the rain. I'm gonna have to go pick up the girls soon. have survived the rain, you guys. So I just arrived at the school and I'm about to edit. I brought my laptop because I need to get some computer work done. So I'm in the car ride line now, just waiting. So I'm gonna get myself cozied up and I'm gonna get some work done on my computer. So I'm gonna edit, and then once the girls come out, we're gonna head home. The girls are home from school, you guys. Telling me, they just been updating me about their day. So I was just sitting here catching up with the girls, talking about their day, seeing what they did, and now they're about to watch some Bluey a little bit. They're about to watch a little bit of Bluey, and I'm about to finish making some vegetables for dinner. So I left the muffins in the oven because I had to go. I turned the oven off and I had just left them in there so they could finish, but they got a little bit overcooked. Not burnt, but just a little bit overcooked. So that was me rushing out the door. But I have my Ava Pava right here trying to sit on me all day. But they're about to watch Blue. I'm about to put some vegetables in the oven for dinner.
Actually, I'm gonna go fix my computer.
Oh, actually, no. You say you have stuff you have to finish eating. So
let's fix my computer and eat.
Let's do that.
What's Puppy Dog?
Yeah, I like Puppy Dog Pals. We used to watch that a lot.
I don't want to watch.
But I like Bluey. No, Tati, please just eat and then you can go do that. If you, hey, rules are rules. If you don't, you just do it. You just do it. Let me get up, you guys, because I'm sure enough getting too cozy on this couch. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and peel these eggs for breakfast tomorrow. I just got my eggs all peeled. This is gonna save me so much time in the morning when we are rushing to get to school. So I peeled them and then I just put some cold water, put my lid on it and put them in the refrigerator, and they are good to go. So the girls will eat these over the next 2 days. So that is that. And just a quick tip to get them to peel so easy like this is to put them in an ice bath. Put them in an ice bath and that cold water just makes the shells just slide right off. I am now finally sitting down to eat some dinner on the back patio. So I'm having some more of those sweet potato hash, some colorful cauliflower, and some chicken. You guys, look at this pumpkin. This pumpkin is just taking over my yard. Whew. Look at all this rain we got last night and today. Kitchen is closed. I'm about to run the girls' bath water and get them in the bath. So the girls are in the bath and I'm about to floss and brush my teeth, do like all my oral hygiene stuff right now while they're in the bath. And that way when they get out, I can just shower and my oral care will already be done. That's usually like my evening routine when they are in the bath. That's what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and floss, brush my teeth and get them out.
You okay? Did you survive it?
And already.
This is real. What are you?
the girls are all taken care of. They're actually in their playroom hanging out, playing for a little while I take me a quick shower. And then after the shower, we're gonna read our book and it's gonna be bedtime. I don't know what we're gonna be reading tonight, but I'm gonna go wash off and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna read. Everybody is all washed up and we're about to read our book. This is what we're reading tonight. So we are on this page tonight. We're gonna go ahead and read this and then we're gonna call it quits. So we're gonna end this video here, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to meet me in the comment section. We love reading your comments. So please meet me down in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Good night.